everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my first Lolita themed video, and today we are going to do an unboxing. So I have 3 items that I'm going to be unboxing today, all 3 of which I bought off of Lace Market, and I was trying to wait for everything that I had ordered to arrive, but it all, with COVID and everything absolutely got held up at the post office and through shipping and everything. So for right now, I only have 3 items that I'm going to be unboxing today. I have a necklace from Angelic Pretty. I have a blouse from, I believe it's Atelier Pierrot. If I pronounce that wrong, please forgive me. Or it's a Taobao blouse. I'm not sure which it is, I don't clearly remember right now. And then lastly, but not least, I have the Holy Lantern OP in white by Angelic Pretty. So let's get started. So first thing I'm gonna open up is the necklace. I've been waiting a couple of days to open things because I wanted to film, but the issue is that everything kept getting held up because of COVID, and so I couldn't really open everything. So set that aside. There's so much plastic. I'm also trying to be really careful because I don't want to accidentally cut one of the chains or anything. Yay! Success! So I ended up buying the fairy snow decoration necklace in pink because I figure, oh my gosh, because I have a few dresses that this will work with, that the color will work with. I also really want to get the dress at some point, and somebody was recently selling the OP, but I passed on the OP because I really want to get the JSK instead. But for now, I bought the necklace and I am surprised. This is the first piece of AP jewelry that I own. And so it's very interesting. I'm surprised by how good the quality is. I thought it was just gonna be plastic, but it's not. It's so pretty. And I like that the snowflakes that are on the necklace are so delicate looking to where you can't, from far away, you wouldn't even be able to tell they were snowflakes, and so it would definitely work with some of my other dresses that I was planning on using this with. What I'm nervous about is these little opaque beads here. They're more of a lavender pink than an actual pastel pink, but I mean, all in all, it's a beautiful, beautiful necklace. I really do look forward to wearing it. So we're gonna set this aside for a little bit, and we're gonna go with my blouse next. And I believe this is my blouse. It shipped out a couple days ago, but then again, I also bought, what else did I buy? I bought something else and I didn't keep track of the tracking. So actually, even though I assume it's my blouse, it could be anything. I just don't remember what else it could be. So let's open it. It already looks like someone tried to open it before me. It's my blouse. So here is, wow. Here's the blouse. Wow, these sleeves. I love bell sleeves, especially for more gothic Lolita cords. And I like the high collar, but I thought it was, oh no, it's not Atelier Pierrot. It's actually Myuu Ludwig. I don't have anything from this brand, so this is actually kind of neat to have something from them. I definitely needed more black blouses to go with my dresses. So this will definitely work out really nice. Now it is the moment that I have been waiting for. It is time for Holy Lantern. So everyone and their mom has Holy Lantern. I know this. AP has released it like a million times by this point. It seems like every year during their fall collection, they announce a re-release of Holy Lantern. And so at this point, the resale market is so saturated with this dress, but I don't have one yet. So I'm excited. I waited out to get the white OP first because that's the one that I really wanted. I missed out on the re-release of Cream Cookie Collection, and so to soothe myself, I decided that I was going to just bite the bullet and buy a Holy Lantern. It does not come with the socks or the bows, which I was disappointed about, but it is brand new with tags. But now let's open it. Let's pull it out. Oh, wow. Wow, they really packaged this well. Okay. Oh my gosh, the material is exactly how I thought it was going to be. Woo. Here it is. So the bow, the front bow is detachable, and I didn't realize that it was. It's shorter than I thought it would be. But the head bow, or not head bow, oh wow, the material's a little different than I thought it would be. But here's the bow that goes around your neck on this dress. And it ties around. It doesn't have a clip, like a little pin in the back like the detachable bows usually do. So that's interesting. Look at that. We're gonna plop that next to me here because we really care about the dress. So it already has this like velvet-like fabric for the pattern, which I already figured it was going to have. I felt like it was going to have it. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so pretty. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Try not to get makeup on it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And the chandeliers are so soft. This dress is already so much more beautiful than I even imagined it would be. This dress is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Why did I hold off for so long from getting this? Oh my gosh. And the lace has little chandeliers on it. This is so cute. I always held off from getting Holy Lantern because I thought it was just such a basic dress. But now that I have it, I see why they keep re-releasing it. Like, I see why people have so many of these in different colors. Like, it's definitely such a beautiful dress. I think I want to get it in other colors as well. And now I'm kind of hoping for a re-release so that way I could get some accessories to go with this and get another one. But oh my gosh, the little waist ties. They're so cute. I seriously am in love with this dress. It is such a beautiful light fabric. I love the white, and I wanted to get the white one first, but I am a little concerned that I'm gonna get it dirty the first time that I wear it. I'm probably gonna save this dress for more indoor meets where there's a little bit more safety, that I'm not gonna spill anything on it. No outdoor meets in this. And then when I get other colors, I can probably wear those to more like picnic meets and things like that. Right now it works out because with COVID, everybody's on Zoom anyways. And so this will definitely work out for me. And I am just so excited to wear this. So I have the dress. It's time to put it on my body. So I absolutely love this dress. It is so beautiful. It is so much more flattering than I thought it was going to be. And honestly, it's probably going to be one of my favorite dresses now. I decided to try something that's a little bit out of my comfort zone in Lolita, which is wearing wigs. So I kind of trimmed the lace on this one quickly and threw it on and kind of did it in a style that I thought would suit this dress. As it turns out, it goes with this dress very nicely. All in all, I think that this dress is probably one of the most comfortable dresses that I have owned in Lolita because I don't have to wear a corset with it. I don't have to wear a minimizer bra with it. I can just be comfortable underneath it, and it's an amazing dress. I can see why so many people fell in love with it and why so many people own so many versions of this dress. This is the first sack dress I've ever owned, and so I can see why they are a popular cut and style. So I might be getting more sack dresses in the future, but we'll see, because this one's pretty nice and I've yet to come across one that I've liked enough to where I wanted to buy it. I definitely do want to get this in more colors. I'm thinking maybe like the wine and the navy. I kind of want to get the pink because I really like pink, but I'm not entirely sure if I like the shade of pink that Holy Lantern comes in. So we'll see. I might get it, regret it, and then resell it. But for now, I think I am just really happy with the ivory colorway, and I'm going to be finding different ways to cord it and enjoy it. It's a little short on me, like it goes just above my knees, which is a little unusual for me in Lolita because I'm not very tall. But all in all, I think that the entire figure and line of this dress is beautiful, and I can't wait to wear it more and more. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video. I have more Lolita themed videos, as well as videos about sewing, baking, and whatever else I'm interested in planned for this channel. I kind of was away for a bit, so this is my first video in a while that I've put on here, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and this unboxing and will subscribe and see what else I have in store. How many pockets does this have? There's 2 pockets. That's so nice.